Hey loves, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I clean up my brows. A lot of you guys were asking how I clean them up, all that good stuff, so I thought I would do a really fun video. I've been letting these grow in for 2 weeks and I need this one to grow a little bit more because right here I need to let it grow a little bit thicker because this one is my good brow and I'm trying to get them somewhat the same. Somewhat, I know they cannot be twins, but they can look related. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my Got to Be Glued and we are going to apply this to my brows. Go in with the spoolie. You can use whatever eyebrow brush you have. I will be using the Makeup Shack eyebrow brush. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit on my spoolie. So what we're gonna do, we're just going to apply this to our brows because we don't want to over pluck. And I just want to get the hairs that I don't want out of the way. So I applied enough product for both eyebrows. So we're just going to just work it in our eyebrow, work it in. Because I don't want to remove any of that, okay? Because that is the thickness that I need for that brow. This brow, I don't gotta remove that much, just like right here. So I'm just going to apply. You can use hairspray, you can use whatever you want. You don't even have to do this step, but this step helps me when I'm gonna go in and pluck a lot of hairs. Is this step necessary? No, but does it help? Yeah. Okay, so now since I have it like that, I'm just going to bring it down a C. Okay, I'm just gonna clean up any of the like gel that I have around. I don't know if you guys see these hairs like above that didn't go down. That's what we're going to cut, okay? Hairs that didn't go down, that's what we're going to cut. So I've showed you guys this in another video as well, and this is something that I still currently do. So I'm gonna go in with my LA Colors Pro Concealer, and I'm going to shape my eyebrow, and then we'll go from there. So wherever is underneath this is what we're going to pluck. Okay, going in with some tweezers. And we're gonna go and pluck. I know you can wax, and I have tried waxing, but I do not like waxing my face because it tugs at the skin. I know it doesn't tug at the skin that much. It's only once in a while, but I just don't want to do it. And now I'm just going to pluck my unibrow. Okay, and then I like going in with this blade. You guys can get them at Sally's, you guys can get them at Walmart, wherever. And I just like going in and cleaning above. Do you guys see like the hair that it's picking up right there? You want to trim a little bit because this hair is a little bit crazy. I'm gonna go in with some scissors and just trim just a little. Going very little. Like kind of with your bangs, you want to go in with little by little, not right off the bat like chop. because then you can cut it too short. There you go. And I like using the glue because I like being able to lay down my brows so that I know that I'm not taking so much product, because I feel like when your hair is not like laid down, then you tend to like over pluck and all that. But I feel like when you apply the gel, it keeps it so it doesn't move, and you don't want to go in and pluck that one because it's not over here, it's not over there. It just helps lay them down so that you can just get what's needed and nothing else is taking off the fullness if you're trying to grow in your brows. So I'll come back so you guys can see after how my brows look after. But yeah, you see, I didn't take away any of the fullness of the brow, I just cleaned it up. All right, and here they are when I fill them in. So here are my brows with like a full face, so you guys can see. I really like how I cleaned them up. You guys can definitely see a difference. I don't know why an accent wanted to come out. You guys can definitely see a difference. You can definitely see a difference in the cleanup of my eyebrows. So you guys do not have to use my method of how I clean up my eyebrows, but I definitely recommend using something to help hold that shape that you want for your eyebrows, and then go in and clean them up. Because when my eyebrows are dry, I guess if you want to say, it's easier for me to go in and like pluck hair that it's not supposed to be plucked, you know what I mean? And it just helps as well. So that's just my method, but you guys do not have to use it. But this is how the brows look with the full face. I hope you guys enjoyed today's eyebrow tutorial. If you guys did and you guys found it helpful, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updated my videos. Te quiero mucho, you guys. Besos a todos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!